Welcome to my AutoCAD tutorials, and from this channel you can learn AutoCAD 2D, SketchUp and Lumin from beginner level to advanced level. In this video I will tell you about the selection method of the AutoCAD. So in previous videos we have learned the all commands of the draw panel. Now next will be the modify panel. So before learning any modify panel commands, it is very important to know about the selection method. When we are using the modify panel commands, we have to select the object by any suitable selection method. So now in this video I will tell you about the selection method of the AutoCAD. There are 4 selection methods are available in the AutoCAD. The first one is direct selection method. When we want to select only one single object, then we can use the direct selection method to select the object. By simply clicking on the some part of the object by cursor, we can directly select the object. I am selecting these lines by direct selecting methods. We have to just click on the object or line that we want to select. So I am just clicking on the line. So this is the direct selection method. Now the second method is window selection. That is also called as the select object from left to right. So when we select the object by window selection, only those line or those object will select which line or objects are fully enclosed in our selection. So which object we want to select, they must be completely lies in the closing window selection. I am showing one example here. So what is the window selection? When we are selecting object from top left corner to right bottom corner, the AutoCAD will show the blue window. It is called as the window selection. So by using the window selection, we can select the object. But in this method, only those line or object will select which are fully enclosed in the selection. So I am selecting only these things. So only the one line will be selected that is fully enclosed in the selection. You can see here only this line is selected by window selection. I am showing you one example. For example, I want to select this door. So I am using the window selection. I am selecting from somewhere here and I am using the cross window. So only those objects will be selected which are fully enclosed. So you can see here only those objects are selected that were fully enclosed in the window selection. So by this way you can use the window selection to select the objects. This method is useful for the select small object of a drawing or when we want to select a particular line or object from the big drawing. So now third method is crossing selection. We can also call as the select object from right to left. When we select the object by crossing window selection, all lines or object will be selected which are only touching the crossing window. In this method, it is not necessary that the whole object must be lined in closing window like the window selection. So the crossing window is select object from upper right corner to lower left corner. You can see here the green colored window that is called as the crossing selection. So by using the crossing window, all objects will be selected which are only touches the crossing window. This method is useful when we want to select the whole object or big part of the drawing in one time. So if you want to select the whole object in a short time, you can use the crossing selection, and by using the crossing selection method, it is very easy to select the too many objects at a one time. Now the fourth selection method is all selections. In the modify panel, if you are using any command that is move, copy or other command, So I am just selecting the move, and to select the all objects of a drawing we have to type all and press enter. You can see here all objects are selected by just typing all and press enter. So if you are using any command from the modify panel, just click on that command and type ALL all and press enter. By this way you can select the all command at one time and in a short time. If you want to remove any object from the selection, just press the shift key and select the object that you want to remove from the selection. So I want to remove from the selection this text, so I am pressing the shift key and selecting this object. So you can see here the objects are removing from the selection by pressing the shift key and select the object. This is also applied in the other selection method. So by this way we can use the 4 methods to select the object. The first one is direct selection. In that we have to just click on the object will be selected. Second one is window selection. In this selection all objects will be selected that are fully enclosed in the window selection. The third one is crossing selection of a green window. In this method all objects will be selected that are only touches the crossing window. The fourth method is just click on any modify panel that as per requirement and type ALL all and press enter. All objects will be selected, and if you want to deselect, just press the shift key and select object. That object will be deselect. So by this way you can use the selection methods to use the modify panel commands as per your requirement. So thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos.